how to download your Instagram page analytics. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure that your Facebook and your Instagram pages are connected. This only works if you have a creator or professional Instagram account as well as a Facebook business page. And we have another tutorial that explains how to create that account as well as link them together. If you go down below into the description, you can find that video. But if you already have them connected, you want to get to the Meta Business Suite. One way to do that is by going to your Facebook business page and selecting Meta Business Suite, or just typing in business.facebook.com and it'll bring you to the Meta Business Suite. The Meta Business Suite has so many amazing features from Meta that you could schedule posts, you could go live, and many other things. But today we're going to focus on how do you get those analytics from your Instagram account. On the left-hand menu, you want to go ahead and select Insights. Once you select Insights, it'll bring you to a page that shows all of your views, interactions for both Facebook and your Instagram page. We want to go to the left-hand menu again and scroll down to the content section here. Once you select content, it will show you all of the content that's been posted both on your Instagram as well as your Facebook page. What you want to do is come up top to the middle of the screen, kind of the right side of the screen where you see export data right here, and you're going to select that. It'll automatically go to Facebook first, but you want to switch over to Instagram. Once you select Instagram, you'll then find the Instagram account that you want to get the data from, and then you're going to select the date range. So let's select the last 30 days. After that, you'll have the option to select post, which includes your data for videos, carousels, and posts on your page, or stories. For now, we're going to go ahead and select post, and then we're going to hit generate. This takes about 1 to 2 minutes to generate, and it is going to show that it's processing. And once the report is ready, you can click this down arrow, click on the report, and then you could download. So we're going to give that a minute for it to populate, and then we could download it afterwards. But this is exactly how you would download your Instagram analytics from the Meta Business Suite. I find this to be the most efficient way to get this. So let's actually quickly open our report. And it's going to be creating a CSV file, which is like an Excel sheet that you could import into a Google Sheets document. And I would love to show you an example of what that would look like. Here we have a blank Google Sheet. And what we're going to do is we're going to import our data that we just downloaded from the Instagram analytics. Once we are uploading it, we're going to go ahead and do insert new sheets, import data automatically, and then we're going to hit import data. Once the data is imported, I usually like to lock the top rows by pulling that first row down. And here we'll be able to see the data. We could organize it by views. So here we're going to organize it from the lowest. Actually, let's organize it from the highest to lowest amount of views. And we can see that this collab post, right, by this username, Killicam, we had over 300,000 views. Our next highest post had 53,000 views. And we can see the reach, likes, share, how many followers we gained, how many comments, as well as saves we got. And a really cool thing it also does, this is great for if you're trying to build up your content portfolio, is that it includes the direct link to each reel. It tells us the date and time it was published, how long the reel was, as well as the description. So this is great for when you're repurposing content, when you're trying to analyze your content to see what worked for what didn't work. But this is the step-by-step method of how you could download your Instagram analytics from the Meta Business Suite. If you need any additional operations or technology support, go ahead and schedule a call with our team at GSDSolutionsinc.com. We are always here and happy to help. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment any questions that you have down below. And maybe our next video could be answering one of your questions that you have about operations and technology. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.